Hi, I'm Dave Russell, owner and inventor of Superior Alignment Systems. Today we're going to set up some Superior Alignment System bracing on the wall so you'll get a chance to watch us down the road and understand how it works. So the first step would be installing the vertical stud. All the insulated concrete form systems have a plastic web tie system built in the block that allows you to fasten interior and exterior applications, whether it be an interior exterior finish, but also allows us to attach the scaffolding system, bracing system to the ICF. So generally all the studs in the wall are indicated by something, which in this case happens to be these two raised lines on the face of the block. And then of course there's lines typically on all blocks every inch to 2 inches. So I'm going to put the left side of the flange. The bracing was basically built for right-handed people. We'll put the left side of the flange down that line, that's the indicating line to the side of the bracing, or to the side of the stud. And you want to put one screw per block, and you want to put the screw in the top of the slot. That way if you get any compression out of the block moves down along with the screw and the brace doesn't move. Second step is going to be adding the tread bracket or the scaffold bracket to the stud for the walk plank. That just seats down like that. Step 3 is going to be installing the turnbuckle. So first step on the turnbuckle is to install the turnbuckle head through the outrigger bracket. By holding the turnbuckle horizontal, inserting the wings through the slot, let the turnbuckle fall right down to the ground, and eyeball the turnbuckle so it's somewhat square to the wall. Step 4 is going to be fastening the turnbuckle foot to your substrate. Under this circumstances, we're going to be using a curb pin, a 7/8 curb pin, but the other options you have is you have 4 screw holes in the foot plate that you can screw this to a deck, whether it be a wood deck or to a concrete floor. Lean your pin back a little bit away from the wall. Pound your curb pin in. Take a 16 penny nail, find the closest set of holes to the curb pin. And then continue pounding the stake in so the 16 penny nail pinches the foot down. The Superior Alignment bracing system comes with a 3/4 inch coil rod, right hand thread on top, and a 3/4 inch left hand coil rod thread on the bottom. So when you turn the turnbuckle, the ball moves very fast and the threads don't jam up with concrete or dirt because there's only 4.5 threads per inch. So this is the close-up of the outrigger bracket or the tread bracket. As you can see, it's got slotted screw slots in the top of it. So when you actually install your planking, as you can see in the video, the way they're lapped, you got planks under, you got planks over. Once you get your wall strung and straight to a string line, you want to come back and add screws into the bottom of the tread bracket up into the plank. So this is what we call an intersection. So at an intersection, you can screw the plank off with one screw into the plank from the bottom and then screw plank to plank together so the planks pivot. So if you've got a screw in the bottom and a screw in the plank, this intersection right here can still pivot in and out versus the center of the plank, which would be here. As you can see, we're not at the end of a foot plank. Here you want to put a screw in the center of the slot, but don't screw it off tight. So it still has the ability to move in and out independently and not impede the wall from being straightened. Well, thanks for watching our Superior Alignment EX120 video. For any questions, please dial 877-525-4466 or check us out on the web at superioralignmentsystems.com.